Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Family Math number 44!
Family Math number 44. Today we're going to just do a quick kind of fun thing, because it's a holiday, on measuring angles. And so, has anyone learned about measuring angles before?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this called?
A protractor.
A protractor. So the first thing we're going to do is we have a nice little triangle here. We're going to measure the angles in a triangle. Does anyone know what we're supposed to get when we measure the angles in the triangle?
It's 180.
So angles in a triangle, when we draw it on a board, add up to 180. Have you ever heard that before?
No.
No? Okay, well let's see. Let's measure this angle first, here. Okay, so what does that look like it is?
It's a 90 degree.
90 degree angle. What is a 90 degree angle called?
It's a right angle.
A right angle.
And the protractor keeps falling.
Okay, so here's 90 degrees. Okay, now to use the protractor up here, we lay it up along one side, and then we center it up with the angle. And what is that angle?
It's a 60 degree angle.
60 degree angle. Okay. Can you get that protractor for me? Because it won't come off the board. 60 degrees. And then, okay, you're going to do this one over here. We line it up. Oh, I got it backwards, but can you read the number backwards here? What is that little angle?
30.
30. Okay, very good. 30. Okay, and now here's the challenge. This is a challenge for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is 30 plus 60 plus 90?
Well, 90 plus 60 is 150, and 100 plus 30 is 180.
So what's the answer?
180.
180. So it adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, so when we draw a triangle on the board, no matter what triangle we draw, the angles always add up to 180 degrees. You think that's always true?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, but then there are some situations that happens when we draw angles on a board. Okay. Now I want to show you what happens if we draw angles on. You know what this is? No, it's the Earth.
I didn't know Earth had big smiles.
Yeah, that's Smile Land on the Earth. Okay, so we're gonna try to draw some straight lines. It's not super easy to draw straight lines on the Earth. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so let's draw some straight lines here. It's like a pretty good straight line, right?
Yeah.
And now we'll go all the way up to the top of the Earth. Okay, and we'll come down. All right, so here's the Earth, right? All right, would you like to get the protractor and measure this angle for me? Okay, so make sure you line up the angles.
So it's pretty lined up.
Yeah, what does that look like?
It's like a 90 degrees.
Oh, that looks like a 90 degree angle. Okay.
Sharpie's running out of ink.
Sharpie's running out of ink. Okay, we'll measure this angle. See if you can push that up against the Earth. What does that look like?
Looks like 80 degrees.
80? Okay. That's fine. Looks like about an 80 degree angle. Okay, now your turn. You're going to get the protractor. And why don't you measure this angle I made at the top of the Earth. Okay, put it on there. Make sure you line it up like that. And measure that angle. What is that angle?
No, it's about 90 degrees.
About 90? Okay. 90 degrees. So we made a triangle on the Earth that had a 90 degree angle, an 80 degree angle, and a 90 degree angle. Now let's check and see if that adds up to 180, like the triangles on our board. Okay? 90 plus 90 is?
180.
180 plus 80 is?
Is 260. Well, no, it is. It's 260.
260. So this triangle added up to 260. That's interesting. The angles in that triangle added up to 260 degrees. So when I drew it on a balloon, I got something that was different than 180. No matter what triangle we draw on the board, the angles add up to 180, but it seems like it's different on the balloon. So maybe the Earth. So we'll have to investigate that, right?
Yeah.
Are you going to be excited to investigate that? We're not going to do it now, but maybe later on. Does that sound exciting?
Yeah.
Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job on Family Math today, guys. Good job. Hi, Earth.